Hello everyone, my name is Morgan Krusniak and I'm going to present our Module 4 discussion questions. So to answer the first question here, question A, points of differences. The points of differences to having the new Champion Heart pacemaker on the market is that the executives wanted to develop a product with necessary features that were affordable for the customer. They wanted to develop a pacemaker that was reliable and easy to implant. So that is what would make it stand out in the market from other pacemakers. Question B, market attractiveness. The market attractiveness of this new product is it will be more affordable and reliable for the customer. And the executives of Medtronic learned from doctors that they saw that the current state-of-the-art features of heart pacemakers are unnecessary. So for question C, is this a bad timing? The bad timing of this product, it's more of how long it will take to develop. It'll take 5 years to develop. Medtronic has a 5-year plan to develop this product to reach their affordable and reliable marketing segment. And for question D, economic access to doctors and patients. It's good in terms of being financially affordable for both the patient and the doctor. Issues I might see occurring is the demand will be high since this is more affordable, and with the demand being high, it could lead to a supply shortage for this product. Discuss the steps of new product process as they relate to the Champion pacemaker. I have found that Medtronic's 5-year plan to reach their affordable and reliable segment of the pacemaker market has included the following steps. Set market and product goals. Medtronic executives set the following as their goal. They wanted to design and market a pacemaker in the next 3 years that could be manufactured in China for the Asian markets. The next step is select target markets. The Champion pacemaker will be targeted at cardiologists and medical clinics performing heart surgery in India, China, and other Asian countries. And then the next step was find points of difference. For the Champion pacemaker, the key points of difference are not state-of-the-art features that drive up production costs, but they are important to only a minority of patients. Instead, they are high quality, long life, reliable, ease of use, and at a low cost. And then the next step is position the product. The pacemaker will be positioned in cardiologists and patients' minds as a medical device that is in high quality and reliable with a long 9-year life. The name Champion is selected after testing acceptable names among doctors in India, China, Pakistan, Singapore, and Malaysia. New product development is important to a company like Medtronic, but it's hard to work and often leads to failure. How can a company encourage its employee to take initiative, make profit, and be ethically and socially responsible? So I found the marketing concept. To achieve company profitability goals, you need to start with these 3 things. Find out what customers or potential customers need, develop products to meet those needs, and engage the entire organization in efforts to satisfy the customer. So the marketing concept puts the customer first. As your most important goal, satisfying the customer must be the goal of everyone in the organization, but this doesn't mean that you ignore the bottom line. If you want to survive and grow, you need to make some profit. What you're looking for is the proper balance between the commitments to customer satisfaction and company survival. Consider the case of Medtronic, a manufacturer of medical devices such as pacemakers and defibrillators. The company boasts more than 50% of the market in cardiac devices and is considered the industry standard setter. Everyone in the organization understands the defects are intolerable in products that are designed to keep people alive. Thus, committing employees to the goal of 0 defects is vital to both Medtronic's customer base and its bottom line. So for this question, I was able to find Medtronic's mission statement. Their mission statement is, Medtronic is committed to conducting business in a safe and environmentally sustainable way. In support of our mission, we promote the health of our employees, customers, community, and the planet. So for shareholders of Medtronic stock, to support their shareholders, Medtronic has a strong cash position to make investments in capabilities and capital investments while continuing to return value to shareholders via dividends and stock repurchases. For question B, to promote their employees, Medtronic has a global recognizable program which empowers managers and employees to reward their colleagues who model behavior that meets the high expectations grounded in their patient-centered mission. And for question C, to promote Chinese patients, Medtronic has developed medical technology to alleviate pain, restore health, and extend lives. The Medtronic Foundation celebrates their services and inspiration through two patient empowerment programs, the Beckon Invitation Award and the Global Heroes Program. The Medtronic Foundation Beckon Invitation Award honors individuals who have overcome health challenges with the help of medical technology and now how they give back to communities in need. And the Global Heroes Program is a 10-mile marathon. Each global hero that participates has in some way benefited from medical technology, and it highlights how life runs on after they've had a diagnosis. So they demonstrate that when people have access to quality health care, they often can return to their passions. So to answer this question, I found something about their Shanghai plant. So Medtronic, their cardiorhythm and heart failure business has hosted a series of 12 pacemaker implementation training sessions for 120 of their physicians from across China at their innovation center in Shanghai. Despite similar rates of arrhythmia, pacemakers are used in China at less than 0.5% the rate of the United States, and this is due primarily to the lack of physician proficiency in the procedure. So for question A marketing viewpoint. From a marketing viewpoint, the strengths would be creating a competitive advantage because Medtronic put their product at a lower price point that other medical technologies may struggle to compete with. And the weakness would be not making as big of a profit on the product, selling it at a lower price, of course. And for B, an ethical viewpoint, the strengths would be being able to provide more affordable medical technology to Chinese patients and save lives that may not have been able to be saved because they couldn't afford it. A weakness could be not sharing the success with other patients across the globe, like the United States, who is lacking in proficiency. And this is my reference page. Thanks for watching, guys.